So sorry. I like to make some jokes. So sorry. The idea is to have fun, all right? That's what I say in my classes. If you're not having fun, come on, do something else. Now, welcome to Race to Think once more. Thank you for being here in our class. The idea of this sequence is to have a series of statistic problems, and on every problem, I'm going to exactly where I'm going to choose something different and something that I'm going to stop and say, please continue. There is going to be a catch, and you're going to have to find the mystery, all right? So on this problem, I have 10 books, being 5 fiction, 3 mystery, 2 adventure, all right? And I'm going to select only 3 books, only 3. Now, I'm going to select a fiction and a mystery only, so no adventure. So my sample space, I would say, so it is here, right? That is off. So I'm only allowed to select from 8 books, all right? 8 books. Now, fiction and mystery. Let's work this out and see what happens. Now, a fiction and mystery only. So what's going to happen? Let's suppose that I choose one fiction, then one mystery, and then something else, all right? That something else means what? I started with 8. I cannot choose adventure. Forbidden. Only those 2. So from 8 books, 1 here, another 1 here. So how many? 6 more to go. Agree? So I have another 6 to choose in here. Now let's write the math. So this first fiction, well, I'm going to choose from 5 fiction, choose 1. This mystery, I'm going to choose from 3 mystery, I'm going to choose 1. Then another 6, right? From our remainder of 6 books, I'm going to choose only 1. And this is going to be what? This is going to be 5 times 3, 15. 15 times 6 is going to be 90. Okay? But there is a problem. There is a problem. Something's wrong. I'm not going to raise anything. It's not that I did not write, but there is still something else. You see? If you have time, please go back to video number 1, the first problem. It is exactly the same situation, all right? So, if you want to solve this by yourself, you can do it. I swear that you can. But stop the video, go to the first video of the sequence. I am going to address this there, you see? Something exactly the same. Something is going on in here. Now, try to pause the video because I'm starting to give you tips, all right? If you don't want to follow tips, go by yourself. Please stop the video. Now, the first tip is going to be this. Well, I am counting something twice. Can you see this in here? Try. The idea for this. Why do we learn math? Because I have nothing else to do? Well, maybe some people, but I have other things to do. Why do I like to learn? How do I like to teach? Why do I like to do exercises, develop? Why? Because math makes us become smarter. Math makes us, our brain works in precision. Is wonderful. So the idea is to force, right? That's the idea of those videos, all right? Now, something's wrong, and I'm counting something twice. Can you see what is it, please? Yes, of course. I'm talking to you. It's you. Come on, my friend. Go together. We are doing this together, right? I'm not the only one who is talking here. So, what are you going to do? Come on, help me out. Teamwork. I'm counting something twice. Come on, come with me. Now, here. Imagine I pick up the first fiction. Let me see if I can do this. I believe it's better, right? Yeah, I believe I can do this. So I pick up the first fiction, okay? And then I'm going to pick up the first mystery. Imagine they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, so on. So, first. Then I have to pick up another one. Be fiction or mystery. Let's suppose I pick up another fiction. Good. So it's going to be fiction 2. I don't know, fiction 5, whatever, whatever. Now, this is a selection, agree? Okay, I'm going to give you another possibility. So imagine now that I started, I'm going to pick any fiction, but I'm going to start by fiction 5. I'm still going to pick up mystery 1, and then I'm going to choose maybe fiction 1. Why not? Yes, I can. It was not selected yet, agree? I can pick up fiction 1. Now, agree with me that this selection is the same as that? I cannot count this as two options, of course not. Alright, the order doesn't matter. Alright? Now, I could do the same for mystery. I could choose like mystery 1, mystery 2, and here mystery 2, mystery 1. So I'm counting this, I'm counting twice. Agree? So I have to divide this guy by 2. You see? That's 6 choose 1, I have to divide by 2 because this last book that I'm choosing, you see, this last book I'm choosing this and that, well, I can flip with one of those and I can have the same selection. So I have to divide by 2, right? This is 45. Okay, so the answer is going to be 45. All right, now we're going to choose another way. Let's suppose that you wanted to solve like this now. Let's suppose, maybe I can do it down here, I guess, yes. So, or another solution. Well, another solution could be this one. Let me just put, because that thing is, my cell phone was bzzz, bzzz, driving me nuts, sorry. Now, another way we could choose here is this. Let's suppose I have a fiction, mystery. Under this situation, it will be what? Choose 2 fiction out of 5. Choose from 5 fiction, choose 2. And of course, only 1. From the 3 mystery, choose 1. So what is 5 choose 2 is going to be 5, 4, 10, 3, 30. Alright, now I could choose, what is the other possibility? Come on, with me, go. Come on, together, go. Fiction, mystery. Of course, the other one would be what? Exactly. If you said mystery, fiction, of course. So the other situation, mystery, fiction. I cannot choose only fiction or only mystery. And I cannot choose adventure. So it gotta be one of those situations. Now, between 2 mysteries, I'm going to choose from the 3 mysteries, choose 2. And only 1 fiction. From the 5, choose 1. This is going to be what? This is going to be 3, this is going to be 5, this is going to be 15. 45. Of course, same answer. Has to be. Alright? Good? Thank you. Now, any two genres. No, let's think this through. So, any 2 genres. Well, what does that mean? It means that I cannot have like all fiction or all mystery. I cannot have all adventure. I can't. I don't have enough books. I have to select 3 books. Agree? So, any 2 genres. So, I'm going to start like, what is all possibilities? Come on. Think and say it. Exactly. If you said, so combination, I have 10 books, I'm going to choose 3. Minus. Now, I cannot have only 1 genre. Agree? Only 1 genre I cannot have. So, I cannot have only fiction and only mystery. Let's remove that. So, let's remove the possibility that from the 5 fiction, I am going to choose all 3. I cannot. I also cannot choose all 3 mysteries. Alright? 3 choose 3. And also, what is missing here? No, the trick was here, right? The catch for the video was here. This is traditional now. There is something else. So, from all possibilities, I excluded the possibility where I would have only 1 genre. Alright? And there is another possibility. I cannot have what? Yes. Correct. What? So I cannot have what? The 3 together. I cannot. Or any 2. I need not say any 3. Any 2. So I cannot have like 1 fiction, 1 mixture, and 1 adventure. Let's do it together. Come on, go. So it's going to be combination. 1 for each book. Let's go for fiction first. So come on, stay with me, come on. 5, choose 1. Now the mystery. Let's choose 1 mystery. 3, choose 1. And 1 adventure. From the 2 adventures, I'm going to choose 1. And this is going to be 79 at the end, isn't it? Yes, 79. So it's a beautiful 79 answer. Alright? Okay, that's it. Another exercise. I hope you have enjoyed. Okay. The trick is always is be careful if you're not counting twice, especially when you go back into the same category. You might have this situation. It happened on the first exercise, it happened again on the sixth exercise, and I'm just calling attention for that. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.